Service?
Yeah. You go in the back. I don't mind being in the back.
I like a side profile. I want to see head on.
Okay.
Oh, look at this guy.
Time to head over to Friday Harbor. Here's the village of Eastsound on Orcas Island. Here's my favorite pilot. These are the farmlands in the south end of San Juan Island, with the American camp in the distance. There's a strip at Friday Harbor off to the left. Watch those tailwinds. This is a shot showing the approach at Friday Harbor where we landed. This is San Juan, the little commuter airlines in and out of here all the time. It's a short walk into town, so let's go and have a look. Friday Harbor is a busy, bustling little place. Friday Harbor is famous for the boat it attracts. Let's go down and have a look at some. Back at Friday Harbor Airport. Off to Friday Roche Harbor this time. This is the village of Friday Harbor and the actual harbor itself. Two comm radios, two nav radios, attitude indicator, right there, attitude altimeter, airspeed indicator. These are the boats at Roche Harbor, the restaurant. It's a 4,000-foot strip. One thing about all the rain we've been having is sure Kathy was getting a little camera shy by the time she got here. We could have stayed here for $50 a night, including clean straw. As most people are aware, the significance of the bricks at Roche Harbor is reminiscent of the lime kilns, which was the economic base here in the 1800s. Supplying the mortar to build the city of San Francisco was very profitable for the McMillan family. Here, Kathy and Don run into a friend they know from Victoria. This is what Don and I figure was the world's biggest runabout. Some of the big boats are starting to arrive for the season. Let's take a look at this one.
Before it's got no plane using I get this right now.
Slam the door quick. We didn't really fly off into the sunset, but I like this shot so good I thought I'd put it in here.